Hey guys, and welcome to Blog Tip Tuesday, where I share helpful blog tips every Tuesday. In today's video, I want to show you how long a blog post should be. I see so many people give the wrong answer to this question, and I want to set the record straight. So if you guys are regular followers of this channel, you know that I really push you guys to write articles that will rank on Google so you can get consistent traffic to your website, because pretty much everyone searches for everything on Google. So to do that, you have to have a targeted keyword or query before you write your article. For example, if I want to search on Google, how long should a blog post be? And for those of you who don't know, that question, how long should a blog post be? That is also known as a keyword. So when I reference keywords and long tail keywords, that is exactly what I'm talking about. Different questions and queries that people have that search on Google. Those are keywords. So I did a video to help you guys understand how to actually find keywords that you can write about. So I'll put that video in the description below so you can check that out after this video. But back to this example. So if I want to write an article about how long should a blog post be, I would see what comes up in the search results on Google. The websites that you see on the first page of Google, these are all of my competitors. I want to write a better article than all these websites right here because I want my article to be in the #1 spot on Google. Because most people only look at the first two search results when they're searching for things on Google. So when I'm trying to find out how long my blog post should be, I will click on one of the first two articles showing up in the search results to see how long their blog post is. So right here, you see the Yoast is the first article that's showing up right here. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And I have this Google Chrome plugin called SEO Minion. So I'm going to click on that right here. I'll also put this plugin in the description below so you guys can check this out. It's very cool. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go to Analyze On-Page SEO. And right here, it tells me how many words are in this article. So if I want to write an article about this topic, it needs to be over 2,140 words. That is how long this particular blog article should be, because I want to write a better and longer article than what my competitors are doing, because I want to rank #1 on Google for this specific keyword. So that is how you can tell how long a blog post should be. You want to look at your competition for the keyword that you're targeting and use that as a guide for how long your blog post should be. Don't let anyone else tell you any different. So I hope this made sense, and if it did, I'd love it if you guys could give this video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comment section, if you don't mind, how long you've been blogging, whether you're just getting started, you've been doing this for a while, or you're just, thinking about doing it. I'd love to hear from you guys and see where you are in your blogging journey. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on a blog tip for this Blog Tip Tuesday series. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.